So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this code, design, and transition. So we'll start with a blank slide, then paste in your image and fill the entire slide with it. Now, once you have your image, go to Insert, Shapes, Rectangle, and add a rectangle that covers about half the slide. Now, change the shape fill to white and shape outline to no outline. Now, in this area, you're going to want to insert your text. To do this, go to Insert, Text Box, size your text box appropriately, then type in the first line of your text. Choose an appropriate font, and set the font size. Now, repeat this process for the remaining lines of your text. Now, once you've written your text, select the rectangle first, and then the text boxes, then go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, and Subtract. Now, right-click the shape and go to Format Shape. Go to Effects and select Shadow and choose the first preset. Change the distance to 6 pixels and change the transparency to 40%. Now, go ahead and duplicate the slide. Go to the first slide and move this rectangle off the slide. Now, select your background image and scale it up a little while holding down Ctrl to scale it from all directions. Now, select both of these slides, go to Transitions, and select Morph. Now let us see the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more video tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.